Hey Mum, I'm in Barcelona. Obviously currently in a laundromat in Barcelona, doing my washing and getting a bunch of work. So I've left the guys, they're off exploring while I do this, and then I'll catch back up with them and we'll go exploring Barcelona again. Tell you what though, I don't know why I've got a cold. I think I'm contracting a cold already from Dan, but I love this city, so it's all good, baby. Washing done, we are now on to, I'm going to pronounce this properly, Sagrada Familia.
Sagrada Familia.
It's good enough, and I don't know what it is, but we're going.
Well, we're also stopping at the dog fight.
It's a sacred family. It's not very sacred if they're bloody telling everyone about it. There it is. It's the Sagrada Familia. It's a building that never got finished because the guy died. That's what I've been told by my tour guide.
Well, not that it didn't finish because he died. It was just like a really long project.
Okay, take a selfie, everyone get in.
Oh, I think it's me.
It's a video though. Yeah, it's about half complete. That's only the front of it, and then it goes way behind as well. And then there's like a wall situation that's going to go around. On that side there's some towers, and then at the back they're putting in a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
I think,
sauna.
Where's the cinema room?
Right in the top.
Ah,
coming up.
Yeah. It's worth it because it was started like 130 years ago. So, and they reckon it's going to finish in 2026, Liz was saying. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'm not making that same mistake twice. Oh, I could go for a drink. Scorcho, Diablo.
I'm burning my calves up.
Yeah. Let's have a look around, and then we'll stay here a bit, and then maybe up here, and then we'll see if this is worth it. He was brilliant.
Yeah, what's that what you have to do?
Huh? Pretty cool view. That's Tommy Wiseau.
Yeah? Sounds like it.
I saw him in the Disaster Artist in the room.
Sure, he's just making random noises.
Just got super busy. So we're back down. I've decided that I don't like kids. They ruin all the fun. But we're gonna head there again tonight as well. Get there for sunset. That is simply too big. That's what she said.
Shit, right. Never happened to you.
That's a temple bar? Weirdly enough, it's not the temple bar because we're going to the temple bar tomorrow.
Are we? No, tomorrow.
Double it. Just to bring the day full circle, we are heading back to the place with the nice view. But we're going to explore this beautiful place that's called...
Sweaty Betty.
You don't even know what it's called.
No, but I'm just looking at your sweaty face, it's hilarious.
Park Doyle. That's where we are, but I can't pronounce shit.
What's it called?
What's this called?
Park Doyle.
This tunnel feels like it goes on for bloody ever. It starts obviously around the corner, follows it all the way around here, all the way past Dan,
I wouldn't say it was a tunnel.
and then that way. What would you call it then?
Tunnel of love. Sexy man.
Of all of these things, Liz has just pointed out, this is the only one that's actually got a sculpture on it. How good? Looking good.
Broken tiles, please. I just have some broken tiles.
Yeah, hook me up with stuff that's not completely perfect.
Just want the cheap shit.
Yeah, I'll just make something cool out of that. We're back at the spot that we were at about lunchtime. Have you ever seen a sexier location for sunset?
No.
Good, because neither have I.